So yeah, as I was talking about the opportunities that you can get, so here is something called Google Cloud, the Arcade Facilitator Program. So this is a program that has been recently launched by Google Cloud itself, and they are asking for students to delve deep into the cloud stuff, because cloud has really increasing demand, and most of the companies, they are trying to relate everything to cloud. For example, if you are learning about data, AI or data analysis, there are BigQuery and thousands of other products in Google Cloud. If you are into web development, so there is Cloud Run, Cloud Functions, that the companies really require to build efficient websites. And similarly, it would be really appreciable if you try to combine two of the things, like if you are already good at web development, and you also gain some Google Cloud skills, or even cloud computing skills. So that would be really beneficial for you, and you can see that how you are getting updated to all the informations, or all the demands that the outside world, or the industries, the companies, they require. So let me give a brief about that. Okay, sorry, not this slide. Yeah, the contents of the program. So this will be starting from the registrations for this program would be starting from the 22nd July, and this will be consisting of 2 months program starting from um, August and September. So what there will be three things. First is a Google Cloud Arcade games, then there is Google Trivia Quest, and then there's skill badges. Do not worry, I will describe in detail of all the three things. So there are three type of badges. So for example, if I take the example of month August, so there will be some games as well as trivia quest, and you have to earn some arcade points. So for example, in a single cohort of August, you can there will be at most 3 or 4 games, and there will be 4 trivia quests, and you have to complete them. And as soon as you complete, you will be awarded some arcade points. Arcade in the sense that they have tried to gamify all the programs, so that it could really motivate you, and it does not make you, well, it does not make the program boring. It could actually make it really fun and motivating for all the people, or all the students, to delve deep into the cloud computing skills. So what it exactly means that, um, if you start with the exam, there will be some Google Cloud labs. These labs will be a direct reflection of the actual Google Cloud. See, the major project about Google Cloud learning is that you most of the people, they do not get the actual feel, or they just have the theoretical knowledge, but they do not know how to apply that knowledge. In order to cater that, you will be getting a temporary Google Cloud platform link, in which that entire website would be exactly the same as the actual Google Cloud that the companies are using, the big companies are using. So you will be getting industry leading curriculum that would be updated. Like, there was a recent introduction of generative AI. So all the people who are interested in AI and Chat GPT, they could see that how the Chat GPT is actually made, and what say you can create a Chat GPT clone, and that could be used by not only you, but your friends, your families, your relatives, and even nationwide also. So that is the curriculum, and these curriculums have been regularly updated. Then you will get some cloud credits. As you know that if you want to try Google Cloud, you need some credits. Like, I would say that these credits are actually in a form of dollars. So if you want to learn some stuff, you have to pay some dollars amount. But instead of that, you can go in this Arcade Facilitator Program, and you would get unlimited credits for free. But that would be only for 2 months. So you have to see that if you want to just try something in your Google Cloud, so there will be absolutely free of cost. You can do anything, any learning, any new projects, or any exploration that you want. Then there will be a streamlined experience, like there will be a particular index of all the things that you will be doing. There will be a particular roadmap. You won't be lost in the tons and tons of information of the YouTube or open internet. You will be getting an entire roadmap, where to start, how to begin, and how to end with a particular skill that could be reflected in your CV, resumes, and that would be really helpful in the placement season. There will be some amazing quizzes and games, including the generative AI. As I had said earlier, that it has been recently updated because of the feedback. Like the students wanted to know how more about AI and how to integrate it into their own learnings. So that's why they have included some games and quizzes related to that. Also, you would get some digital badges. These badges are really important because you can show all of these badges in your resume. There is something called credly, if you are familiar with that. So that is something like an online resume. So when you have completed some particular program, you would be awarded digital badges. And these badges, no doubt, are really appreciative. For example, if I say my friend has done some badges, and due to that badges only, nothing else, no projects and no internships, no matlab, he was a fresher, and just because of that badges he was able to land a very lucrative job. So when I say that these badges are really important, so I have that first hand knowledge, and that will be really helpful for you also in your future career prospects. Not only that, Google is also providing the Google official, and there is 100% guarantee that you will get exciting swags as you learn. So there is a double benefit. First is that you can get your skills, and you are also getting rewarded with your Google swags. As you can see on the right, there are some Google Cloud t-shirts, mugs, jars, caps, and these are just the I would say the tip of the iceberg. For example, my friends have also got Google Mini, if you know what is that, and let me recall, hoodies, t-shirts, yeah. Although there is a long list, I cannot think of all the things, but yeah, I am definitely sure that all the swags will be really helpful for you, and they will really motivate you to complete all your skills and learning journey. So few things that it is open for all. If you are a student, it is open for them. Even if you are a working professional, like me, I am working in a company right now, and few of the opportunities are only targeted towards the college students. So we kind of become a little sad, like why can't we do this? Because cloud is really helpful for us, because we have to do some stuff and it is really in demand. So that's why it is open for everyone. If you have some zeal or enthusiasm into learning something and gaining some skills, as well as there will be the worldwide shipping. uh, this means that not only for Indian students, if you have any friends or relatives that are working in outskirts of US, UK, anything, there are some particular exceptions, like Afghanistan, countries like that. But yeah, there is absolutely free worldwide shipping of all the swags and prices. So this is absolutely open for the entire world. So that's why it is really competitive program, but really highly rewarding also. Before culminating this, I would want to share that what are the games and skill badges. So see, there will be a particular, it's just like an open book test. So you have some particular tasks, and they have their solutions then and there itself. So there is no particular exam. You have to just see that you have to learn first that what are the labs and how to actually do this. Then you have to just copy it, and parallelly you have to work on the Google Cloud platform, and you have to complete all these steps. So skill badges means that you have to, there will be a series of labs. Labs means that just like a chapter of your book. You have to read this and you have to convert or revise everything, and you will be getting a Google Cloud badge, swag. Swag means that any gift item. So the arcade points will be converted into these swags, and that will be worldwide. The shipping would be worldwide, anywhere in the world or anywhere in India that you are. There will be few requirements, like uh, you have to have a laptop, PC, internet. That are the really basic stuff. And I would be really helping in creating you I will be helping in you creating a Google Cloud profile. That will be absolutely free. So let me share the link. I have a I have a particular Google Cloud community link. This will be a WhatsApp community. So if you have any doubts and queries, you can just simply ask it then and there. And in this cloud, in this WhatsApp community, you would also get a roadmap on how to work, and there will be some shortcut tricks. I know that you are college students, and sometimes you do not even get times, so you can use that shortcut skills, those tips and shortcuts, in order to complete your learning, so that you can gain more and more points. So let me share the link for that. So I'll be pinning this in the chat section. If you are interested in Google Cloud, or even learning about what are the popular demanding careers or demanding fields that have been really asked by companies for from the young professionals, so you can join this. And yeah, there's some lucrative offers like swags and digital badges, but it is really up to you. If you are a little bit keen, or even you have a little bit curiosity about learning something new and gaining a lot from it, so I think that this will be a particular good opportunity for you. So yeah, coming on to the slide. So now I am be happy to answer any questions. If you have any questions regarding to this, so yeah, just showed it. What is Google Cloud? Why it is useful? See, Google Cloud, in earlier cases, only the big companies that have huge expenditure costs or huge budgets would be able to set up a server and try to build a huge company. But now that entire server has been converted into your own PC. So even if you are just a kid or a student, you are aiming to build a startup, but need a lot of um, you need a lot of CPU power, GPU powers, and you need to create a server, but you do not have a land for that. So that will be easily converted into Google Cloud. Those companies like Google, Microsoft or Azure, as well as AWS, which is under Amazon. So they give you a part of the server according to your needs, so that you can build your own website or even your own company. And that cloud has become really in demand because it is really cheap as compared to first buying your own land, setting up your own server, then the maintenance, and then the cost of hiring people just to take care of that server. That is completely converted into zero, so that you do not have to worry about the infrastructure cost. You just have to worry about what the code does and how can you complete on update on your code, so that you can get more and more traffic or more and more users for your particular product. So that's why Google Cloud, Amazon, AWS services, and even Microsoft Azure, so they are really useful, because they have taken the powers from the huge corporations and given it to the locals, so that there will be a distributed power for everyone. And if you have the zeal to create your own startup, your own product, so there is no infrastructure cost that will hinder your process. So yeah, I'll share something like this is the Google Cloud Facilitator Program, the official website. As you can see, there's a timer going on starting in 2 days. So that means that the registrations are starting from 22nd July, and you do not have to do anything. Like you just have to fill a form. This will be a Google form, and we'll be providing you a code, and by that code, you will be gaining some access to the Google Cloud credits for free for 2 months. That means that converting 2 months cloud credits would be like you would be getting $1,000 credits for free, but just for a limited amount, so that you can explore everything or anything that you want to delve into Google Cloud or cloud computing as such. So as you can see that it is a no cost gaming campaign where the technical practitioners just like you or the students, they can learn new cloud skills like big data, AI, ML, and even computing application development like app development, website development. And not just that, you can even earn digital badges points, and those points would be converted into claiming the swag prices, and that will be from the Google Cloud itself. So this will be the official Google Cloud swags. This will be starting from 22nd July, and as I had told you, 2 months program means that from August and September. So that will be ending from September 22nd, and registration, as I told you, from 22nd. So see, this will be the game. This is the skill badges. This will be a particular set of instructions that you have first to learn, then you have to apply it, and then you will get the arcade point then and there itself. And if you want to see the new these are the updated list of the swags. As you can see, you have a cool t-shirt, bags, pens, and even Google Cloud notebook. Or this is the entire setup. Like it has the touchpad in which you can insert your any device like iPad or MacBook, and you can connect it to that, and you get touchpad feels and everything like that. And there's a motion light, backpacks, and even Google Cloud speakers, bottles, night lamps, anything. And these get regularly updated because see, the people have been learning Google Cloud for a long, and they have already these swag. So they said that we need a new list, and we need to gain some more motivation. So that's why every time the swag list is being updated, and even the curriculum is being updated, so that they know the importance of the updated information. And the people, they are just happy, and they do not see it as a burden but as a challenge to themselves to learn more about the cloud computing. So as you can see that how the points are, what is the point system. So one badge means 1 point, and two skill badges mean 1 point. So for example, earlier this t-shirt would cost 5 points. So even if you complete three levels and a trivia, three levels trivia and two skill badges, so you would get 5 points. One, two, three, four, and five. So just by doing these five items, you can get a t-shirt for free. And this is a point system. But yeah, the main priority is to learn more, get some skills about Google Cloud computing, so that you can also provide that skills or apply that skills in your CV and resume also. So yeah, that was it for the Google Cloud. If a student has long backlogs, how foundation